The Maasai of East Africa. We know that the Maasai belong to the pastoral society. They are a mixture of Mediterranean and Negroid peoples and are also known as the best and the most typical cattle herders of East Africa. They occupy the interior plateau of the northern parts of East Africa in Kenya, northern Tanzania, and eastern Uganda. Although dark in skin color, they are clearly distinct from the more Negroid people who surround them on the south and east. So let us talk about their ethnic characteristics. In appearance, the Maasais are tall, slender, with long, small limb bones, narrow feet and hands, and long fingers. The color of their skins varies from lighter chocolate to very dark brown. The head is high and narrow, the face is thin, and many of them have fine cut features. Thin nose, the lips are less thick than those of Negroid people. The men have little hair on the face, but on the head it grows longer and with a less crinkly curl than among Negroes. The girls and older men shave off their hair closely to the head. So let us talk about territory. The Maasais occupy the equatorial plateau of Africa to the east of Lake Victoria. Their territory extends from north to south for about 800 kilometers and from west to east 550 kilometers. The elongated highland is traversed from north to south by the Great Rift Valley, which extends from Jordan in the north up to the Nyassa Lake in the south. Geologically, lava has been deposited on this plateau by the numerous volcanoes in which Kilimanjaro, Meru, and Mount Kenya are quite pronounced. The floor of the rift valleys rises and falls in a number of separate and closed lake basins. Livestock. Cattle are the basis of the Maasai economy, providing food mainly in the form of milk and blood and property for payment of bride price. Maasais also keep many sheep and some goats and donkeys. Cattle are by far the more important livestock, and in normal time, each family has its own herd. Sheep are also abundant, but their economic and social importance cannot be compared to that of cattle. Both are used for their meat and blood, this being a favorite item in the Maasai diet. Milking is done by women, only some milk products as cream and butter are used. Cheese is unknown among them. The milk and other foods are stored in the wild gourds cut for this purpose.